in my Cricut design studio. I have my Cricut mat. I'm just gonna tear this off. And I have my glitter vinyl. Just gonna place that on the mat. The mat is sticky. So just like that. Alright, so then I'm gonna place it into my Cricut machine. Alright, so I have my mat in the Cricut machine. There's like some buttons here, so I'm just gonna hit the feed. Oh, well, first I have to do it on here to continue. Glitter iron on because that's what I'm using. So now I can feed my image, feed my mat in. See the blinking, and then it just feeds in. Alright, so now that's loaded in. I'm gonna hit the blinking, which is the play button, means it's to go. I got the images cut out. I'm gonna press it on the shirt. Now I just did this to kind of line it up and see if everything lines up. So like this, I can press it because it won't affect the vinyl that's underneath it. So you just want to make sure when you're doing that. So as you can see, there's no vinyl touching it, so it will print out. So I'm going to press it at 360 for 20 seconds.